and welcome to my course. My name is Mark Perren-Jones, and by the time you have finished this course, you are going to know how to clean your whole house, how to get it spotless without using one single toxic chemical. You're going to use essential oils and you are going to use completely natural cleaning products. I will tell you, I will save you an absolute bag load of money by using natural products. You're going to save your health and that of your families, and you're also going to be helping the environment. So what's not to love about that? And you will see the difference, that these actually work better. I test them out. I test out what's the best rust remover. I teach you a secret to removing tarnish off silver. You'll make your own laundry detergents, liquid detergents, powder detergents. I show you how to make your own fabric softeners, and it's all dead easy. And it's so simple, you'll wonder why you've been using chemical products ever in your life. I'm going to show you, and I test them, some of these myths on the internet about using certain products that just don't work when it comes to using natural products. So I'm going to bust some myths. I show you how to clean the best ways to make disinfecting sprays, cleaning your tubs and bathrooms. I check out different tile and grout cleaners and test those. We test all these things, and I also show you a trick how you can clean things and get grease off them with just water alone. This in itself is absolutely amazing. You know, no soaps, no detergents, and you'll be able to clean grease off things, and I test this with just this product. So let's get going. We got a lot of learning to do, and then a lot of cleaning to do.